Disinformation is a huge problem in this day and age. So how do you make sure that your sources are trusted and reliable? I'll tell you coming up. Hi everybody, welcome back to Speaking with Courage. I'm Professor G, and in this channel we all work together to enhance our speaking skills. And today I would like to share some tips that you can use to make sure that your sources are from trusted sources and are reliable so that you can back up your information and have solid research. The first thing you need to look for is for authorship in every source. Make sure that you look up who is the person that's writing this information, who's the person that's putting this report together, who is the individual that's presenting the information. If you look up their background, if you look up their other articles, and if you look up their past history of publishing, you can ensure that these people or these authors are reliable and can be trusted. The second thing you need to look for is who's sponsoring the information. It's really important for you to do the background check of those organizations or those people and the reports that you might be publishing. Why? Have you ever seen those stories in the news or those stories in newspapers or websites about certain products and how good they are for you or how good they do to improve your health? Sometimes these articles or these studies might be sponsored by the same people that make the product that they're promoting. There's also one important last thing that you need to consider when looking for information to back up your sources. Make sure that they are recent. It is okay to use sources 10, 15 years old, but you want to use them for background and to set up other information. However, if you use sources that are too old, you run the risk of having information that's more recent go unnoticed and go unpublished and not referenced in your work. That makes your work, that makes your information and your presentation outdated, and you really want to focus on information that is maybe 1, 2, or 3 years old so that all of your information is accurate, all of your information is trusted, but also so that it's recent. There you have it, 3 things that you can do to support your information through evidence that's reliable, trusted, and also recent. I am Professor G. This is Speaking with Courage. Feel free to click the subscribe button and to share this information with anybody that's doing research, that's doing public speaking, so that we all can have information that's trusted, reliable, and timely. Thank you for joining, and catch you next time.